Hi there, it's Cake Watch. Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to make a origami flaming bird. It flaps. Well, really flaps. Well, you don't know how birds really flap, but don't worry, I'm gonna help you again too. I'm going to learn about Jeremy Schaefer on this video. First, you need the the bird base and the flaps over it. Okay, let's that. Make fold into a tail like that. You just have to fold into a tail to fold the tail for the wings, and fold this thing up for the head. Fold this thing up for a head. Hello, 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 hello. Oh, sorry. Just fold this thing to a tail, and this fold to a head. So this one you can pull the tail for flapping the wings. His head doesn't do anything, just their heads. Now unfold. Now fold it like that. And you have to valley fold this and this, and a mountain fold on the middle. Like there. And now, in this one, do the same thing. And now, inside fold into a head. Now fold it to wings. Just fold like that. Just fold down like that. And crease it up. And flip over. And fold it again. Okay. For this one, just take your wings up and take your index fold, take your index finger and your thumb into the pocket and gently hold it and pull carefully. Just pull it like that and pull like that. Just pull like that and there. The flapping origami bird. It's like that. Just really flap. It's like that. You do it faster like that. You really flap. Really like that. Like that. So thank you for watching, and even if you like to hear music from the Pokemon, click on the description. Oh yeah, by the way, I gotta turn, I gotta, I gotta turn this pizza box into a solar oven. So I need to do my work. So bye now. Like, subscribe, like, and write down my comments below.